Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing a full room makeover on our basement guest bedroom, and it was a little bit of a mess to start. Since we moved in, this has kind of been just a catch-all space for random things that don't really have a home. So it was filled with lots of random things. At this time we were also redoing our laundry room, hence why some of the cat boxes and random things are in here, because it was a catch-all for that room as well from the overflow of everything. So the very first thing I needed to do was prime this very bright blue wall. I'm using a Bullseye 321 primer. It's my go-to for these. I believe this is actually the only wall in this entire house that I did end up priming. And even for all of these dark walls, I'm just going straight on with my Deluxe paint and sticking with the same paint color as the rest of our house in Glacier White by Benjamin Moore. So the next thing I needed to do was to get rid of this dark stain on the pony wall trim. It just was not working for me, and we actually will be replacing all of the trim in the basement eventually, and it will be white. I also had an intention of restaining the trim. I was going to go with like an early American color for the stain, but once I sanded it down, I kind of like just the natural wood look, and we do have a couple other wood features in this room, so I felt like if I kept it natural, it kind of just gave it a little something different. About the fact that she would be utterly obsessed with the laser part on the wall. So yeah. Oh, there we go again. Okay, yeah. And it's not even, it's a good sign. Ma'am, please get your paws off my wall. Thank you. Thanks. Alright, so this really brought the room together. I'm so excited about this. I'm actually using the same DIY paint pen shiplap technique that I used upstairs in my office, because it turned out so good. So I'm using a paint pen, a laser level, and just marking along the wall and creating a faux shiplap look, and I think it turned out really well. Of the room is starting to get put together, so we are going to hop right into it and start styling this room. So let's go. So because this room is in the basement, I did choose any of the plants that are down here are just snake plants. They can survive in low light and you can neglect them for a while before they will start to show any signs, but they're a great plant to just keep in the basement. And also I decided to pick up some new bedding for this bed while we were working on this room. So the bedding is just from Yesk or Jusk. How do you say that? Someone in the comments tell me how to pronounce that. But it actually turned out really well, and we ended up buying the same bedding actually for our trailer. So it worked out really well. The cat pillows are from HomeSense, and I just thought they were such a fun little addition. Okay, so I'm just about to style this little cart. This is actually from IKEA. It's on little rollers and stuff. It's going to serve as the nightstand for now. So grabbed a bunch of stuff that I think should work. I wanted the diffuser in there. There actually isn't a plug on this wall, so I'll put it there for now, but yeah, it won't actually get to stay there. It'll have to go somewhere over there where the plug is hiding over there. So let's see how it goes with these. Just kind of threw this little bit together. So I've got just a clock and stuff up here, and then this is the diffuser, but like I said, it probably won't be able to stay there, unfortunately. And then I've just got some dried eucalyptus in the little vase there, and then just a bunch of random books. I would like to replace them in the future with books that are just random that people might actually want to read, and then faux plants for everything, and then that's actually just a little extra blanket because we are in the basement, so it gets a little chilly down here, but so far I am loving the little vibe we have going in here. So yeah, that is the cord for the diffuser. It needs to get put away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited about this reveal. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, stay tuned next Thursday for another video. I'm really excited about the next one, and I have a few really fun things planned for the next couple videos. So like I said, stay tuned every Thursday, and we will see you guys next week.